Take two. Mr. Petrovsky, Chef Chris, is in the kitchen cooking Macedonian masterpieces. What are you preparing for us today, Chef Chris?
It's actually Christian Petrovsky when I'm cooking.
Christian Petrovsky?
Yes, today I'm cooking a special recipe all the way from Mother Macedonia.
Ah.
It is actually from my mother. She taught me this.
She did.
It's a special recipe.
Special?
Special.
Okay.
So I can't tell you the exact ingredients, but as you can see, it is rich with flavor.
Is that puppy in there? Is there a little bit of puppy?
There's a little bit of puppy and a little bit of dickless. Little bit of goat penis.
So what?
Oops! Slip of the secret ingredient. Woo! But I can assure you, it will taste scrumptious.
Perhaps you should take a little taste, Chef, to see how you're doing.
Else. Okay, you asked
Here
for
goes.
It. Over the sink. Over the sink.
Very exciting. A master chef at work.
Oh!
Orgasm?
Oh.
Orgasm?
I just came.